Welcome to this quick guide on how to make sure you never miss a message on Discord when using the web version on your PC. Whether you're chatting with friends, coordinating with your gaming team, or just keeping up with your favorite communities, getting timely notifications is key. And with the latest updates, setting this up is easier than ever. Let's get started right away. First, open Discord in your favorite browser. You don't need to download or install anything extra. Just head over to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll spot a small gear icon. That's your gateway to all of Discord's settings. Give it a click. This will open up a menu full of options to customize your experience. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find the one labeled Notifications. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can control how and when Discord lets you know about new activity. Now, pay close attention to the sounds section. Here, you'll find a toggle specifically for message sounds. This setting controls whether you'll hear an alert every time someone sends a message in your active channels. Make sure this option is enabled. If it's turned off, you won't get any sound notifications, which might mean missing out on important conversations. By turning this on, you're taking control of your Discord experience. You'll always be in the loop, whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing. No more worrying about missing a message just because you looked away for a second. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you've made sure your Discord notifications are set up for success. Now, whenever a new message comes in, you'll hear it loud and clear, right from your browser. Whether you're using Discord for fun or for work, staying connected has never been easier. Remember, these settings are specific to the web version, but they're just as straightforward on the desktop app. If you ever want to tweak your notifications further, you can always come back to this menu and adjust things to suit your preferences. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your time on Discord. Now with notifications that keep you right where you want to be. Catch every message, join every conversation, and never miss a beat. Happy chatting.